Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a super useful feature for your dashboards, the indicator chart. If you're looking for a way to highlight a single, important number in your reports, this is the chart you need. Let's get started. Imagine you want to know the monthly revenue each region brings in. Instead of sifting through rows of data, wouldn't it be great to see a big, clear number right on your dashboard? That's exactly what the indicator chart does. First, let's head over to our sales report dashboard. You might notice a variety of chart options here. These let you track all sorts of information, add external data, and even beautify your dashboard with different components. But today, we only need one thing: a bold number showing the monthly revenue for each region. So, let's choose the indicator chart. What makes this chart special is its simplicity. It's designed to display a single measure. That means less configuration and a much clearer result. We select Stats. Next, we select our data source, the sales revenue form. This is where all our sales data lives. Once we've picked the form, we're ready to set up the chart. You'll see fields listed on the left. In most charts, you'd set up both dimensions and metrics. Think of dimensions as the perspective or categories you want to analyze, like regions or months. Metrics, on the other hand, are the actual numbers you want to measure, like revenue or sales volume. So, let's drag and drop the monthly revenue field into the metric area and region field into dimension area. By default, the chart might sum up all the revenue. But we want to see the average monthly revenue per region. No problem. Just hover over the field, click to expand the options, then change the aggregation method to average. Instantly, you'll see a big, bold number, showing the average monthly revenue for each region. Let's make it pop. Customize your chart with a background color, a catchy title, and a layout style that fits your dashboard. Now our indicator chart is not only informative, but also eye-catching. Click Save, and your new indicator chart is added to the dashboard. Here's the best part. Whenever you update your sales data, like adding a new record, the indicator chart updates automatically. Your dashboard always reflects the latest numbers in real time. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a powerful indicator chart to spotlight your key metrics. Whether it's revenue, sales, or any other important number, the indicator chart makes your data easy to understand at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more dashboard tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more chart tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.